so glad to be here and to celebrate with them. I'm so proud of our Bloodhounds, so proud of our young people. It's all about being student-centered. It's about putting students first, and I couldn't be more proud of my Bloodhounds.
Thank you. This is absolutely amazing. It is absolutely insane to see that our work from the past two and a half months has come to fruition, and that we provided a brand worthy of Polk County Public Schools. From the very beginning, we realized that our audience isn't just teachers, isn't just students, it isn't the board of Polk County, it's absolutely everyone, from a preschooler all the way to an adult, from every ethnicity, every culture, every language.
I'm speechless. It was just all the nerves building up to it, and then now to finally come here and see it, that we're going to see that logo for the rest of my high school career and maybe my brothers or sisters.